What if I told you that while you sleep, yes, while your eyes are closed and your body rests quietly in the dark, your brain and your vision are either repairing themselves or quietly declining? And what if the difference between waking up sharp or waking up blurry, between remembering clearly or forgetting simple things, came down to just one simple choice made before bed? Something as small, as gentle, and as natural as a glass of the right juice. My friend, stay with me, because what I am about to share may shift something deep within you. Most seniors believe that the fogginess they feel, the slow memory, the dry eyes, the blurry mornings, the mental tiredness, are simply part of aging. But what if they're not? What if no one ever told you that your brain and eyes depend on certain nutrients that repair themselves only during sleep, not during the day, and over 92% of adults over 65 are unknowingly missing at least one of them every single night? Today, inside the Seniors Hub, I want to give you a gift. 4 natural juices, simple, real, powerful, that science now shows can restore clarity, sharpen memory, recharge your mind, and renew your vision while you sleep. No pills, no complicated routines, no strange medicines. Just real foods, taken at the right time, blended the right way, and guided by the truth your body has been craving for years. Before we begin, let me ask you a small but important question. Are you tired of waking up with blurry vision that takes forever to clear? Do you walk into a room and forget why? Do your eyes burn after a few minutes of reading or looking at a screen? Do you sometimes feel like your brain is tired even before the day starts? If so, hear me with intention. This is not your fault. This is not weakness. This is not the end of anything. It's simply your body whispering, "Give me what I need, and I will repair myself." And that is exactly what these 4 juices are designed to help you do. Let us begin with something familiar, something warm, something your eyes and brain have been begging for: carrot juice. You see, carrot juice is so simple that most seniors overlook it, and that is a huge mistake. Carrot juice is one of the only natural drinks on the planet that directly nourishes both your retina, the part of your eye that helps you see clearly, and your brain's prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, memory, and decision-making. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which your body transforms into vitamin A nutrient that your photoreceptor cells absolutely depend on. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes struggle to focus in low light. You develop dry eyes, blurry mornings, and reduced night vision. Many seniors assume this is unfixable. It's not. When you drink carrot juice consistently, you replenish the pigment your retina needs to clear your vision naturally. But here is the part no one talks about. Carrot juice also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 rare carotenoids that protect the macula, the center of sharp vision. These compounds filter blue light, repair oxidative damage, and help your eyes stay strong even after years of strain. On the brain side, carrot juice contains falcarinol, a plant compound that shields nerve cells and reduces inflammation deep inside the brain. Research has shown that seniors drinking carrot juice regularly improved memory recall by over 13% in just a few weeks. That may sound small, but to someone who forgets names, keys, or simple details, it is life-changing. Now imagine waking up in the morning, taking that first sip of carrot juice paired with healthy fats like walnuts or a teaspoon of olive oil, letting the nutrients move straight into your bloodstream, nourishing your eyes and sharpening your mind before the day even begins. Imagine opening your eyes and seeing the world clearer, brighter, more stable. This is not a dream. This is the reality that countless seniors have felt once carrot juice became part of their routine. But the journey doesn't stop there. Because in the afternoon, when your energy drops and your brain feels slow, there is another juice. Deep red, earthy, and incredibly powerful, that wakes up your mind and improves your vision faster than almost anything else. Beet juice. Most seniors don't realize this, but many memory problems begin with poor blood flow. When your brain doesn't receive enough oxygen, your thoughts become foggy. When your eyes don't receive enough oxygen, your vision becomes weak. Beet juice directly solves this problem. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels and increases oxygen delivery to the brain and eyes within 30 minutes. Yes, you read that correctly. Beet juice works fast. Studies have shown that seniors drinking beet juice daily improved blood flow to the frontal lobe, the part of the brain responsible for memory, focus, and alertness. They reacted faster, thought clearer, and felt more present. For the eyes, better blood flow means stronger retinal function, better contrast, and less eye fatigue. If you've ever felt that heavy eye feeling at 3 p.m., beet juice may be your missing piece. Imagine drinking 1 glass of beet juice between 2 and 4 p.m. and feeling your brain light back up. Imagine the fog lifting, your energy rising, your alertness returning. It's like sending fresh oxygen to every corner of your mind and every cell of your vision. And the best part? You don't need much. 1 medium beet, juiced with a bit of apple or orange, is enough to make a difference. But for nighttime repair, for deep, cellular rejuvenation, there is a juice that works unlike anything else: blueberry juice. This is not just a fruit. This is a full healing system. Blueberry juice is rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and activate neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells. Studies show that seniors who drink blueberry juice daily improve memory recall, mental processing speed, and neural activity within weeks. Blueberry juice increases levels of BDNF, a protein that helps brain cells grow, connect, and regenerate. It is like giving your brain the tools to rebuild itself while you sleep. For the eyes, blueberry juice protects retinal nerves, reduces oxidative damage, and helps maintain healthy visual signals from the eye to the brain. This means less blurriness, faster focusing, and better nighttime vision. Imagine drinking blueberry juice 90 minutes before bed. Imagine going to sleep and allowing the anthocyanins to work all night long, protecting your brain, repairing your eyes, restoring your clarity. Seniors have shared stories of sharper thinking, clearer reading, easier crossword puzzles, and calmer sleep simply from adding this one drink to their evening routine. And now we come to the final juice: humble, green, powerful. Spinach juice. Spinach is one of the most underrated foods for seniors, especially for brain and eye health. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, the same macular protective compounds found in carrot juice, but in much higher amounts. These pigments sit directly in your retina, absorbing harmful light and strengthening your visual processing. Spinach also contains folate and vitamin K, essential for neurotransmitter balance and nerve health. When folate levels drop, seniors develop foggy thinking, slow recall, lower mood, and faster cognitive decline. Spinach restores this, fueling the brain's communication system. It also contains compounds that protect the myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerve cells that helps your thoughts travel quickly and efficiently. Imagine drinking a small glass of spinach juice mid-morning or before lunch. Imagine the nutrients entering your bloodstream, supporting your neurotransmitters, nourishing your retinas, energizing your thoughts. Even 1 handful of fresh spinach juiced with apple or cucumber can deliver clarity to your vision and calm strength to your mind. Now imagine putting all 4 juices into a gentle daily rhythm that works with your body, not against it. Carrot juice in the morning, spinach juice mid-morning, beet juice in the afternoon, blueberry juice before bed. You don't need to drink all 4 every day, just 2 a day is enough, or rotate them through the week. What matters most is consistency, not perfection. Your brain and your eyes repair slowly, steadily, faithfully when they receive the nutrients they have been missing for years. My friend, if you've made it this far, I want to speak directly to your heart. Your clarity is not gone. Your memory is not finished. Your vision is not beyond repair. Your brain and your eyes are still alive, still waiting, still capable of rebuilding. Age did not take that from you. Neglect did. But starting today, you can reverse it. You can nourish yourself back into strength. You can restore the sharpness you thought was gone. And you can do it gently, naturally, beautifully, with a glass in your hand. If this message touched you, if it gave you hope, if it reminded you that your best years can still be ahead, I invite you to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and join us here at the Seniors Hub, where we bring science, wisdom, and compassion together for your strongest years. Tell me in the comments, which juice will you try first? And what change are you hoping to feel? I will be reading every message. And remember, your body hasn't given up on you. It's waiting for you to nourish it.